Hello friends. Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to hide and unhide YouTube channel subscribers or enable and disable subscriber count. Please consider subscribing. Open your browser and search youtube.com. Go to your profile icon. Then go to YouTube Studio. Click on Settings. Then click on Channel. Click Advanced Settings. Here, by ticking on that checkbox, you will allow people to see your subscribers, and if you don't want them to see them, well, you have to uncheck that box. Then after that you have to click Save to save changes. Now it's done. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, share, subscribe, and let me know if it worked for you in comment section.